Guys, we have this Hampton huntington I got from my aunt's house. The blades may seem taped on, but I have them held on by one screw, and then I have it taped on so that way it doesn't start twisting, as you can see. They are held up pretty well with the tape. Except for this one. Hold on, actually, let me fix that. Let me make that one a little tighter. Okay, there we go. Put the more tape on this one, so this should, yeah, there it goes. Now it's nice and perfect. I don't have any bulbs in it, so you guys are gonna have to deal with no bulbs. So the shade's right over there. So yeah, let's go ahead and start off with low speed. This is also pre-installation. This is before then. On that blade's though the color because I accidentally flipped it over. And here's the Sears ceiling fan, along with the titty lights. What? No, it's the only blade with a different color on it, because I accidentally flipped it. Because I wasn't paying attention. We're here with the little Jacory, or Jacory the Fat Man. Alright, let's go ahead and go into medium. This thing is pretty fast, actually, although it's on a trash can. I'm going to install it tomorrow. No, not in my room, in my shed. I'm not installing it in my room, it's flush mount, and the ring up there is really stupid where I can't access screws. But that's what happens when you get modern shit, so. Here's medium speed, and let's go to high speed. High speed flies. Look how fast this thing is. I didn't pitch the blades at all. I didn't do anything to it. I got it as new. Well, it's not new, actually. It's actually original to my aunt's house. But this is how it is. It's a little wobbly because of the blades. No new capacitor, no new pull chain, no new reverse switch. Nothing was replaced in it. It's just super fast. And you can kind of feel a little bit of air. But these blades are glossed. I didn't even oil the bearings. That's the thing. I just got this and just didn't do anything to it until I put these blades on. Yeah, the blades are droopy. No, my aunt had the original blades my aunt had, but the blades were really warped, so she got rid of them. But I think it was just the blade arms, because you can see the blades are still kind of droopy, and they looked warped. Oh, and there's the totally safe wiring.